Hey, here is the Lynx M20. Not just a new robot model, but a true breakthrough in the world of mobile robotics. While many robot dogs continue to entertain audiences with dances at exhibitions and demonstrate their agility in ideal laboratory conditions, the Lynx M20 was created for entirely different tasks. It is a tool designed for survival and work in environments dangerous to humans and where traditional equipment fails. This four-legged robot from the Chinese company Robotics is a real Terminator in the world of machines. It can operate in extreme conditions: heavy rain, dense smoke, ice, dust, and rubble from destroyed buildings. Its IP67 protection rating makes it fully dust and waterproof, meaning it not only withstands the forces of nature, but continues working where most would stop: on slopes, stairs, slippery surfaces, and unstable ground. The Lynx M20 maintains stability and control thanks to powerful kinematics and an intelligent balance system. Already today, the Lynx M20 can replace humans in the most dangerous missions. It enters disaster zones first after accidents, ventures into tunnels and dark hangars, transmits high-definition video, locates possible victims, and finds paths for rescuers through chaos. It can be used for guarding important facilities, patrolling industrial zones, transporting cargo up to 20 kg, reconnaissance, and even military operations. Moreover, it operates autonomously for more than 4 hours. And if it falls, it simply gets up and keeps going as if nothing happened. Unitary B2W is not just an updated version of the famous robot dog B2. It is a true demonstration of how far Chinese engineering has advanced in creating autonomous, powerful, and smart machines of the new generation. The unit B2W is equipped with a powerful computing platform and advanced sensors. It sees the world around it using LAR, depth cameras, and stereo vision. It has lightning-fast reactions, and its AI brain allows it to instantly adapt to changing conditions. It analyzes the environment, makes decisions on the fly, can avoid obstacles, and builds routes in real time. Thanks to these capabilities, the B2W can autonomously patrol areas, accompany people, carry loads, and perform tasks in complete darkness or bad weather. What really sets this model apart is the balance between power and intelligence. The Unitary B2W can move at speeds up to 2.5 ms, pull or carry loads up to 20 kilos, operate for 2 to 4 hours on a single charge, and interact with other robots and humans via voice, tablet, or API system. It has pre-installed behavior algorithms, but can be quickly reprogrammed for any tasks if necessary. Today, such machines are not a luxury or a show of strength, but an important step forward toward a future where technology becomes a full partner. The Unitary B2W is like the awakening of a machine's talent. It no longer just follows commands. It understands where to go and why. Chinese engineers from the company Huan have introduced a new robot dog called Alpha Dog, a unique four-legged robot with artificial intelligence capable of freely moving in real-world environments. This project is a response to the growing interest in multifunctional autonomous robots that can replace humans in a range of tasks, from logistics and security to accompaniment and entertainment. One of Alpha Dog's main advantages is its high movement speed, up to 15 km/h. Thanks to an advanced dynamic balancing system and control over the force in each joint, the robot maintains stability even when colliding with obstacles or moving over uneven surfaces. Alpha Dog is equipped with cameras, sensors, and AI modules that allow it to recognize commands, follow a person, navigate space, and interact with the environment. It can be used in search and rescue operations, patrolling, delivery, and even as a companion. Japanese company Kawasaki has unveiled a prototype of its robotic motor horse project. Kawasaki expects such devices to enter production by the year 2050. Instead of a heart, the Koryo motor horse is powered by a hydrogen engine, and instead of a brain, it uses an onboard computer with artificial intelligence that analyzes spatial positioning to ensure the robot maintains balance and the rider stays securely mounted. This is not just a means of transportation. It is a four-legged off-road machine capable of moving across any terrain, even leaping through snow-covered mountains. The robotic horse is equipped with a 150 cm hydrogen engine that generates electricity, it also features a dashboard that displays hydrogen levels, the route to the summit, the position of the center of gravity, and other critical information. At night, the device supports optimal riding by projecting markers onto the road surface to indicate the path forward. Each of the robot's 4 legs is fitted with hooves made of a special rubber and material structure that absorbs surface irregularities and prevents slipping. These hooves can adapt to various landscapes, including meadows, rocky terrain, and gravel fields. For the first time in history, we have witnessed a unique experiment, robots coming into direct contact with wild primal instinct. This is not science fiction or a movie scene, but a real experiment conducted at one of the most renowned zoos in Australia, Tanger Zoo in Sydney. It is a fully fledged scientific study aimed at understanding how animals react to autonomous technology and whether such robots can be used for monitoring, population tracking, or even for training and behavioral observation in environments close to the wild. Cheetahs encounter a robot for the very first time. The robot moves smoothly and realistically with a gait characteristic of a 4-legged machine. And this is where it gets fascinating. Cheetahs are predators, perfectly adapted for hunting. But their instinct tells them that what they see is something alien, something they have never encountered in nature, and that is a triumph of technology. A similar situation occurs with the lions. At first, the lions show passive interest. They observe, approach slowly, like kings, assessing whether someone has intruded on their territory. But as the robot draws nearer and moves with realistic precision, the lion's hunting instinct awakens. One of them suddenly lunges and just as suddenly stops. The look in the animal's eyes seems to say, "This is not prey and not a toy. This is something else." The Chinese company Magic Lab has made a breakthrough in robotics by presenting a new generation 4-legged robot dog capable of autonomous movement, spatial orientation, and interaction with the environment. It can move across various surfaces, avoid obstacles, maintain balance, and execute pre-programmed commands. In one demonstration video, the robot dog is shown walking on a leash behind a bipedal humanoid. The robot can analyze its route in real time, avoid dangerous areas, and adapt to unexpected changes along the way. For this reason, the developers are also considering its use as an assistant for visually impaired people. Thanks to precise navigation, stable gait, and response to voice commands, the robot dog can serve as a guide, helping people move safely through the city. The next generation robot dog continues to be improved by engineers at Swiss Mile. Their robot named Annie Mao represents a unique combination of mobility and versatility. It can move both on 4 wheels and walk on legs, easily switching between these modes. Thanks to this, Anal performs equally well in fast movement on flat roads and in overcoming complex obstacles such as stairs, curbs, and uneven terrain. The robot's maximum speed reaches 22 km per hour, and its load capacity is up to 50 kg. In the latest version, engineers improve stability and movement accuracy, as well as enhanced manipulation functions. Annie Mao can now stand on its hind limbs and use its front ones like hands, for example, to open doors or carry objects. The robot is equipped with an autonomous navigation system using LAR, cameras, and GPS, allowing it to orient itself without external control. Write in the comments what you like most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.